I wonder what these buttons are for.
So, which one, these?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm not Are those gear selectors? Let me see right quick. Oh, that's just to change the radio. That's all it is. I don't even know why it's like that. I want to turn that off. I don't even want the radio on.
For years, you've been thinking about getting LASIK. You've been talking about getting LASIK. And now, it's finally time to get LASIK. Plus, right now, you can save $1,000 on your treatment. So schedule your free LASIK exam.
Okay.
Yeah, that's weird, man. I thought it was a gear selector for a second.
Yeah, right.
Let me go. Oh, damn it. Okay. What's a good way with no traffic? Straight ahead or left?
Well, to the left is 41. So remember, everything around here is one lane, so I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's how that goes. Pretty quick, huh?
Yeah.
I'm impressed at how quick this thing moves. Part of the reason is because it has a dual clutch transmission. So that's part of the reason why it moves quick too. We got a decent amount of power, but the transmission really plays a part. This thing will eat a lot of cars and people won't even know because of how it looks. That's the thing I like about it. I'm gonna go down like 2 more blocks and turn back around. Unless I can go like in the squares, maybe I can. Where are we at? Let's see.
We're about to hit 41.
Okay, cool. Oh, this is 41?
It's all the way straight, yeah. A couple more minutes.
Okay.
Probably like 4.
No, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna turn back around.
Yeah. You could turn left here into the gas station or some shit.
Cool. So far, I've been driving for about 4 minutes. I need like another 6 minutes and I'll be good. Oh, damn, they're trying to get over. Okay, go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, lady, go ahead. Perfect for a paddle shift. I'd be happy if I can catch a red light. That's the thing I want.
Yeah.
See, I need a third camera because remember how I had somebody filming on the outside?
Yeah.
Since I don't have a third camera, I can't set one on the side of, dang, I missed that light, on the side of the street, and then just take off with the camera mounted, you know, somewhere, sitting somewhere. What's your favorite car? Or your car brand? What's your favorite car brand?
I like Hondas.
Honda. So you like the NSX?
Yeah, or the Type R.
You driven one? Type R?
I bet my friend had one, but I don't work with. I used to work at Honda, but I don't work.
Which one?
Racing.
Oh, you worked out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're cool, but they try to they're too pushy. This is probably the only 2-lane street in this whole town.
Yeah.
It doesn't even last that long. Did you used to go to Lower Wacker Drive in Chicago for the meets out there?
Sometimes, not a lot.
I think because I'm from Chicago, I think they put speed bumps down there to ruin it. Bro, I wish I had a camera that I could sit on the side. You know how the cars, they move around the curves? Mm-hmm. I need a camera that I could sit on the side so when the car's going past, the camera will catch it going right past while it's hitting the curve. Just like how they do in those professional videos with the Ferraris and stuff. So when you hit the curve, you have a camera right there. And if your car needs a detail, feel free to reach out to us with the information listed below.